Idaho, played in Oregon. His name is Michael Eby. What we talk about today is called anti-bullying. So everybody knows what bullying means. That means somebody's picking on somebody, and that's not very good. So what we want to do is kind of tell you a little bit about what it is that we do. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm using an example here. We got a couple brothers play for us. Josh Clayton, come on over here. Oh, okay, I need Jake.
There's two Jakes.
And I need his little brother. Older brother, younger brother, right? Now, do you think that Jake takes care of Cameron on the playground and after school and stuff? Does he help him out? Let me ask you something. If one of the 6th graders is on the playground and a kindergartner or first grader, one of the little ones, Joe's one of the important parts of our team because he manages the plays. He makes sure that the players know what the play is going to be so they know what to do. So I got Elmer Fudd here. Come on up here, Nolan. His job is to protect Joe. So, see, the big guy protects the little guy, right? And if we don't do that, we're not successful. So really, you're the most important part of the football team, right? So, Nolan, is everybody going to take care of each other? Yeah! Are you going to be nice to each other? Yeah! Are you going to get along? Yeah! Are you going to come on my lawn? Yeah! Alright, I'm going to give these guys each a little football for helping us out. Thanks, guys. He's our head coach. He's the one that's in charge of all these guys. So his name is actually Dan K-Drop, but we call him Coach Magic. So give him a round of applause. He's going to talk about school.
All right. If you don't like school, raise your hand if you don't like it. Okay, teachers, get up paper. Business, you went to school for business? Accounting. Accounting? Communications. Communications?
Well, business major, here's my diploma right here. I can run my mouth.
That's actually a fake driver's license. History. History?
Exercise science.
Exercise science? Business. Business?
Exercise science.
Keep going?
Math teacher.
Math teacher, huh?
Sportsman. Sociology.
Exercise science.
Exercise science.
Okay. Oh boy. How old are you guys? Go down the line. Don't lie.
27.
26. 28. You guys do math here? Yeah! Coach player Stacy here is 28 plus 10. 38, yeah! 23, 20, 25, 23, 23, 25, 24, 25,
28. 25.
24.
32.
22 plus 10.
Where or who? What is their last name? Oh, what is your last name?
My last name is Eby. E-B-Y.
They're not all EBs, no. They're going. Fisher.
Holmes.
Coleman.
Calderon.
Wood.
McLean.
Durant.
Ellis. Justin.
Schleusner.
Yep. On the field? Or at home? This is going to be a good one. You fight with your brother? You have a brother? You fight with her? Come here, you two guys. The question from the young man is, have you ever been in a fight with each other? You guys ever get mad at each other? This might take 5 or 10 minutes. But I know the answer. Go ahead.
Yeah, sometimes. I've never hit him before, though. I'm 8 years older than him, so.
In the pink in the back.
I need 1, 2, 3, go Cavs. 1, 2, 3. Go!
That was terrible!
You got it ready? 1, 2, 3.
You got blue sheets. I didn't get the blue sheets. Look at this right here. Hey, look at this. The blue one?
This is the tail end of us signing autographs.
Oh, look at this.
Okay.
Got one finally. Finally got one. To Doc
Christmas present. That should be good for 5 years of Christmas. Right?
Follow your dreams, Mr. McLean.
Doctor.
Doctor, excuse me. Dr. McLean, follow your dreams. I know being a doctor, I know it's not making you happy inside. Follow your dreams.
Right.
Leave my